Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you OpenTable how to earn points. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. To earn dining points with OpenTable, what you need to do first is activate dining points collection. Before making a reservation, ensure that dining points collection is activated. Now to do it, head over and open up your OpenTable app, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down and tap on benefits. Then here all you gotta do is tap on add your eligible card, then follow the prompts to successfully activate your dining points collection. Now once activated, all you gotta do is go ahead and make eligible reservations. So simply head over and search for the restaurants on your location, and then all you gotta do is make reservations. Like standard reservation earns 100 points per reservation, and bonus tables offers 1000 points often for specific times or new restaurants. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.